Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
WordPress has taken a massive step and has introduced a major change to its import option in the site editor. Now, what this change exactly does is, for right now in WordPress 5.9, when you use the export option, it just exports the template and the parts. Okay, now this has changed in WordPress 6.0, or this will change in, let me just say that, in WordPress 6.0, where it will download the theme complete theme. It will include all the files, including the functions.php file, the style.css, the everything that you get in a theme, you will get through that option. Okay, let me just showcase you what exactly the change is. So for that, let me just head over to WordPress 5.9. Click this ellipsis menu over here. You see this export option. It clearly tells you download your templates and template parts. So I'm gonna click this. It will download this site export thing, zip file, basically not a thing. So this is the theme. Let me just double click it. You see the parts, files, and the templates right over here, all of the templates. Okay, now this has changed. Okay, now this is no longer the case. You will get access to all the theme files, like for example, like you download any of the themes from any of the companies or from the WordPress repository. The same way you can export all of the theme files using this option. Click this ellipsis right over here, go to export, click this option, and the download will begin. You can see the 2022 zip has been downloaded. Open this and you see all of the theme files. The style.css, the JSON file is right over here, readme document is here, index, functions, templates, style, parts, inc, and assets. Okay, now this step is an essential step that WordPress has taken to simplify the theme creation process. Now what this exactly means is you will be able to create your own custom themes and will be able to export them and upload them and use them wherever is that you want to use them on any other site without having to customize anything. Now another thing that you have to know here is that for example, every WordPress theme comes with its own set of patterns, and if you want to include patterns in your theme that you have created, what WordPress has done is you can include those patterns, but what you will have to do is you'll have to create your own pattern, copy the code, and then paste it in the patterns directory inside this themes folder. Okay, now if you want me to create a tutorial on this, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to showcase you the patterns as well in the next video that I'm going to do on WordPress 6.0 that will be released once the stable version is released, and I will be doing a comparison style video with WordPress 5.9. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.